Hey everyone, welcome back to Gold Mine Review. 3 clicks, that's all it takes to start hijacking free traffic from YouTube, Quora, even Wikipedia. Sounds wild, right? Well, today I am breaking down a brand new AI tool called Domain Ninja that claims to help you to exactly that. But is it legit or just another overhyped digital product? Let's find out. And I suggest you to stick till the end because we are going to break down its overview, features, pros and cons, user ratings, and my final verdict. And if you want to try out this Domain Ninja, I'm giving the website links in the description. You can feel free to check it out. What is Domain Ninja? It's a tool that finds high authority expired domains still receiving backlink from big sites like YouTube, Reddit, Google, and Quora. You can register those domains and even clone the content that used to be there legally. Then it automatically publish SEO optimized blog content in your website. The idea you tap into existing traffic without spending a dime on ads sounds like a dream, right? Let's break down its features. First, you can search for expired domain with high DA and active backlinks. These includes links from YouTube videos, Wikipedia articles, Reddit answers, and much more. Next, Domain Ninja allows you to clone the full content of the expired website. It even includes image and files. Then it let you to host them unlimited on their server. There won't be any extra costing over there. And the tool also auto publish SEO friendly content using complete AI. Plus, there's even a live chat support for real time help. Pretty neat, right? Let's break it down its pros and cons. Pros: super easy to use even for beginners, lifetime hosting included, clear walkthrough and dashboard, plus no recurring fees. There's also a commercial license, meaning you can sell cloner website or traffic assets on your own. Now the cons. Interface feels a bit clunky in parts, and if you are not careful, you might pick expired domain with no real value. So you have to do some manual searching work. It takes some judgment and it takes some time. Also, it's more useful for content marketers or SEO folks, not complete beginner with no clue about traffic or monetization. Pricing. So what does it cost? It's just $14 one time. There is no upsells and OTS for this particular product, and it's solid 30 days money back guarantee included. Honestly, solid price what it does. Here how I rate Domain Ninja. For software, I'm giving 4 out of 5, and easy to use features, I'm giving 3 out of 5. The dashboard is a bit complicated, and for value for money, I'm giving 5 out of 5 because there is no upsells, and overall, I'm giving 4 out of 5. Final verdict. So, should you buy Domain Ninja? If you're a content creator, affiliate marketer, or local businesses trying to get some traffic from expired digital real assets, Domain Ninja is worth a shot. It's not total beginner friendly with zero knowledge how to traffic flows online. You have to do some kind of research before purchasing this particular product. But if you got some basic understanding of SEO or niche website, these tools can save you hours of time and get you free traffic faster and easier. Plus, no monthly fees make it as an easy investment for you. If you want more details, just check it out in the official website. I'm giving the link in the description. Also, if you tried Domain Ninja already, drop your feedback in the comments so the other users, other purchasers can get benefit out of it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe if you like no fluff software reviews like this one. See you in the next one. Bye bye.